It goes like this. Just listen to that whistle, it's always on time. As it cuts right through the page, another long way down. It gives me that low down feeling burning in my soul. 'Cause in my heart I know I've got to go. I said, damn them trains, they're dragging me down. Always remind me of another girl in another town. I said, damn them trains, damn them railroad tracks, reminding me that I'll never really ever be coming back. I once had a love, but that was long ago. I never told her how I felt, and now she'll never know. You see, time has gone by, and she's moved on. That's why I'm sitting here singing sad lonely country song. And just as soon as I forget what I left behind, well, I'll hear that lonesome whistle, and that train will roll by. Sarah, damn them train, dragging me down, always reminding me of another girl in another town. I said, damn them train, damn them railroad tracks, reminding me that I'll never really ever be. Reminding me that I'll never really ever be coming back. Thank you. All right, yeah, you can find this on that CD right here too.